Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing some squishies. I haven't been uploading for like a long time, so I found out that I was uploading private videos. I'm sorry. Yeah, so you guys didn't see them? Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing one without a private. I did not know I did a private video. So we're gonna be, yeah, we have 3 squishies here. Yeah, they're like some Hello Kitty's friends. So first we're gonna be opening Hello Kitty. It's gonna be so squishy. Like if you like Hello Kitty. Okay. Open. What is this? Oh, they put tape on it. Why? Okay, here it is. Squishy. Oh, wait, what is this? Okay, whatever. Oh my gosh, this is so fluffy and squishy. So squishy. I love this. It's so whoa. Okay, the next one we're gonna be opening is this My Melody one. Oh, they smell like kind of good, not really. Yeah, but they're really squishy. Okay, let's open the My Melody one. Oh, it smells so bad. This one smells so bad. But I love this. Oh yeah, and by the way, on the weekend, I'll record a video of me playing with Luna with our voices. You're gonna have a Luna's voice reveal. It's gonna be exciting. So we're gonna be playing Flee Facility. Yeah. Luna doesn't know that yet, but I'm gonna tell her. It's so squishy. I love this. This is kind of like slime, but it's just squishy and just stretchy. Oh, this is so fun. Well, let's put them onto each other. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna try to put. Yeah, this is what comes out. Wait, okay. Hello Kitty. There. The last one is Cinnamon Roll. This is my favorite one, Cinnamon Roll, because he's like so cute. I love him. Oh my gosh, stop putting tape, people. I don't know why, but I don't know why, but I didn't saw this like white spot in his mouth. Why did they put this? I hate that. Okay. Oh my gosh. This even sticks. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, never mind. Get a stretchy face. Let me try stretching them all each other, like on top of each other. Well, let's see what happens. Oh gosh, they're not that squish. Okay, they're not. Look at this. This is what they look like. Oh no, I'm stretching out their paint. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna not do that. Look at my Melody's face now. Okay. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.